Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to prevent losing any small parts. This simple replacement process is quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the fob where the physical key might emerge. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old, depleted CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.